Want to start a handyman business that grows fast? I'll show you how to fix common home problems, get the right tools, and scale your business by hiring subcontractors. Introduction to handyman services and their popularity. Welcome to today's video, where we'll be diving into the world of handyman services, an industry that's growing rapidly due to high demand and its flexible nature. Whether it's fixing leaky faucets, repairing drywall, or assembling furniture, homeowners and businesses alike rely on skilled handymen to tackle everyday problems. The appeal lies in its versatility. As a handyman, you're not confined to one niche, making it an attractive career for those with a broad skill set. Plus, with the increasing emphasis on home improvement and maintenance, the market is ripe with opportunities for both beginners and seasoned professionals. If you've been considering starting or scaling a handyman business, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you succeed. Tackling common home problems. A content idea for handyman businesses. One of the best ways to engage your audience and grow your business is by creating content that addresses common home issues. For example, you could produce videos or blogs on fixing clogged drains, patching holes in drywall, or troubleshooting electrical outlets. These types of problems are relatable and frequent, making your content highly shareable. Not only does this establish you as an expert, but it also builds trust with potential clients. When homeowners see that you have the knowledge and skills to solve their problems, they're more likely to hire you for larger projects. Additionally, educational content can serve as a marketing tool, helping you reach a wider audience and generate leads for your business. Scaling your handyman business. Tips for growth. Once you've built a solid foundation for your handyman services, it's time to think about scaling your business. One trending angle is hiring subcontractors to expand your capacity and take on bigger jobs. By delegating tasks to skilled workers, you can focus on managing operations and growing your client base. Another strategy is offering specialized services, such as custom carpentry or energy-efficient upgrades, to differentiate yourself from competitors. Don't forget to invest in marketing tools like social media ads and professional websites to showcase your work and attract new customers. Scaling your business requires careful planning, but with the right strategies, you can turn your handyman services into a thriving enterprise. Reviewing tools and building credibility. Another excellent way to connect with your audience is by reviewing tools and equipment used in the trade. Whether it's power drills, paint sprayers, or multi-purpose toolkits, sharing your honest opinions and demonstrating their use can provide immense value to your viewers. Tool reviews are particularly popular because they help people make informed purchasing decisions. As a handyman, you likely rely on these tools every day, so your recommendations carry weight. You can even partner with brands for sponsorships or affiliate programs, creating another revenue stream for your business. By consistently producing high-quality reviews, you position yourself as a knowledgeable and credible figure in the industry. Conclusion and final thoughts. In conclusion, handyman services remain a highly popular and lucrative business due to their versatility and consistent demand. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, there are countless opportunities to grow and succeed. From fixing common home problems to hiring subcontractors and reviewing tools, the key is to stay creative and always provide value to your audience. Remember, building trust and showcasing your expertise are essential for attracting clients and standing out in a competitive market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.